Assalamu alaikum guys. Today our topic is Samba server. Now what is Samba server? Samba server with RHEL 7.0. Samba is what it used to communicate between Windows and you can say Unix family. So how Windows family can communicate with the Unix family? First of all, we have to install this role in our system. So this is my server computer, suppose, and this is my client computer. This is suppose client. Install this role. Samba. So install this role with the client system as well as the server system. So will take some time. If role will install, then we will configure Samba server. This system IP, server IP is 10.0.0.1. Here my IP address is 10.0.0.1 and here client IP is simply 10.0.0.2. This IP is 10.0.0.2. Sorry, is 2. Now in server, this is the server computer. Suppose here just create one group add marketing. So this group name is marketing and create a folder by the name of SMB share. Folder name can be anything. Now give this ownership marketing SMB SHARE, right? After that give CHGRP CHMOD to give the permission, full control with this folder, suppose SMB share. Now what we have to perform with AC Linux, we have to allow this policy so that anybody will access. Command is SC manage FC context -A-T Samba _ share _ SMB share asterisk question mark simply. So what is the use of this line? Here there is a directory SMB share and according to AC Linux we have to allow this policy. Then after restore con, we have to use fr smbshare. Okay, to check the to just very apply this AC Linux on this folder smbshare. Then after vim /etc samba smb.conf, here press I, do one thing, give here smbshare, put the entry, and what about the path is simply smbshare and write list is equal to @ marketing. Save this. Okay, now yum -y install samba client. Just install samba client. We require this package for the purpose of data communication. Now just create one user account sbin with auxiliary group sbin and no login, capital G, marketing. Username can be anything. Give name Brian. Then smb password we have to give okay, add it. You can create some other user also, otherwise it's not required. System ctl start smb nmb, use this, and to start the service system ctl enable. Okay, after this command we have to allow the firewall, so firewall cmd permanent add service, because we have to add the service. Which service? Samba. Now is success. And last command will be firewall cmd reload. Right? Okay. Now guys, move to the client system. This is suppose client system. Here use one command yum spacebar -y install CIFS. We required this utils, so that this system will behave like a client. Okay, create any folder and we have to mount this mkdir. Suppose folder name is sample and give this chmod permission 777 full control, so that anybody can do anything. One more command we have to give, I will show you. So guys, here we have to give one command, that is mount CIFS and give the server IP, folder name is SMB share, and just mount sample -o, username is BRIAN, password Red Hat. Okay, cd/sample create file touch file, suppose 1 to 10 ls, just verify cd/smb share ls. See, these are the file. Here if you will create anything like touch file 11 to 15, it will create here. See this, 11 to 15. So you can take one window also, so that it will interact with the Samba server. So this is about the Samba server. Thank you so much. Have a good day.